Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're going on a whirlwind adventure to learn some essential Japanese phrases that will help you in everyday situations. Our mission, should you choose to accept it, is to conquer 60 fundamental Japanese phrases. These phrases will be your gateway to understanding and communicating in Japanese. Don't worry, I've got your back. We'll go through each phrase step by step, ensuring you understand their meanings and context. We'll break down each phrase, look at how to use them, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate basic conversations with the confidence of a seasoned J-pop idol. Imagine impressing your friends and locals with your new skills. So, grab your notebooks, a steaming cup of green tea, and let's dive right in. This is going to be a fun and educational journey, so stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a classic konnichiwa. This is your go-to greeting for any time of day. Ready to express gratitude like a pro? Arigato is the way to go. Remember to say it with a smile. Need to get someone's attention or apologize? Sumimasen is your magic word, super useful in Japan. Chapter 4. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning. Start your day the Japanese way with Ohayo gozaimasu. It's a polite and respectful way to greet someone in the morning, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Embrace the culture and warmth of Japan with this simple yet meaningful phrase. Chapter 5. Konbanwa. Good evening. As the sun begins to set, switch to konbanwa for a charming good evening greeting. Chapter 6. Oyasumi nasai. Good night. Time to say good night. Oyasumi nasai is a heartfelt way to wish someone sweet dreams. Chapter 7. Hi. Yes. Simple and to the point. Hi means yes. You'll be using this one a lot. Chapter 8. No. Need to politely decline something? I is your friend. Chapter 9. Wongaishimasu. Please. This is your all-purpose please. Add it to requests to sound extra polite. Chapter 10. Made a little mistake? Gomen nasai is a sincere way to apologize. Chapter 11. Don't be afraid to admit when you're lost. Wakarimasen will come in handy. Chapter 12. Aha! Wakarimashita lets everyone know you've got it figured out. Didn't quite catch that? No worries, just ask for a repeat with mu ichido onegaishimasu. This one's a mouthful, but it basically means nice to meet you or please be kind to me. Time to celebrate. Omedetou gozaimasu is perfect for congratulating someone on their achievements. Chapter 16. Tanjubi omedetou. Happy birthday. Make someone's birthday special with Tanjubi omedetou. It's the Japanese way to say happy birthday. Chapter 17. Itadakimasu. Let's eat. Before you dig into a delicious Japanese meal, remember to say itadakimasu to show appreciation. Chapter 18. Gochisu-sama deshita. Thank you for the meal. Once you've finished your meal, express your gratitude with Gochisu-sama deshita. Want to know how someone's doing? Ogenki desu ka is the polite way to ask how are you. If you're feeling good, respond with Genki desu. It means I'm fine, thank you. Whether you're reassuring someone or saying you're all right, daijubu is a versatile phrase. Use kudasai when you'd like to ask for something politely. Duzo is a polite way to offer something to someone. Time to say farewell. Sayonara is a common way to say goodbye in Japanese. For a more casual goodbye, use yamada. It means see you later. Another casual way to say goodbye, matane, is like saying see you. Welcome someone back with okarinasai. It's a warm greeting for those returning home. Let everyone know you're back with tadaima. It's the standard response to okarinasai. Before heading out, announce your departure with itekimasu. Respond to itakimasu with itarashai. It means see you later or take care. Savoring something tasty, oishi is the perfect way to express your culinary delight. Hopefully you won't need this one too often, but mazui means it's not good in terms of taste. Surprised by the price tag? Takai will convey your astonishment. Snagged a bargain? Yasui is the word for cheap or inexpensive. From stunning landscapes to elegant kimonos, kirei is your go-to word for beautiful. Get ready to say kawaii a lot. It means cute and is used for everything from puppies to plushies. Encounter something spooky? Kawaii is the word for scary or frightening. Bundle up when it's samui, which means cold in Japanese. Feeling the heat? Atsui is the word for hot. Stay hydrated. Having a blast? Tanoshi is the Japanese word for fun or enjoyable. Got a lot on your plate? Isogashi means busy or occupied. Feeling drowsy? Nemui is the word for sleepy or tired. Share your joy with Yurishi, which means happy or glad. Expressing sadness is okay. Kanashi means sad or sorrowful. Kimochi too is a versatile phrase that can be used to express physical or emotional pleasure. Not feeling your best? Kimochi warui conveys that you're feeling unwell. Impressed by something? Sugoi is your go-to exclamation for wow or amazing. For something truly exceptional, use subarashi to express wonderful or fantastic. Express surprise or disbelief with hantu, which means really or is that true? Think someone's pulling your leg? USO is a playful way to say you're lying. Struggling with something? Muzukashi means difficult or hard. Piece of cake? Kantan is the word for easy or simple. Found something intriguing? Omoshiroi means interesting or funny. Not your cup of tea? Tsumaranai means boring or dull. Kirei na is similar to kirei but adds a touch of emphasis to your compliment. Heighten the fear factor with kawaii na, meaning how scary. When the heat is unbearable, atsui na emphasizes the intensity. Shivering your timbers off? Samui na emphasizes the biting cold. Amp up the excitement with tanoshi na, meaning how fun. Feeling overwhelmed? Isogashi na emphasizes your busy state. And there you have it. You've reached an important milestone in your language learning journey. You've successfully navigated 60 essential Japanese phrases, which is no small feat. Remember, the key to language learning is consistency. Make it a part of your daily routine. Practice these phrases daily, even if it's just in front of the mirror. Repetition is crucial for retention. If you enjoyed this crash course in Japanese, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more language adventures. Your support helps us create more content. Signing off. Mata ne. Keep practicing and you'll be fluent in no time.